Look at her. She hides. Look at it. Oh! Look at it. Oh. Welcome back to Mama Weesie Channel. Today we're going to do some smothered pork chop. Put along. I have my pork chop washed. Now I'm about to season it up. I have my pepper. My salt. Seasoned salt. Going up in the cabinet. What else I'm gonna put on here? How about some onion powder? Okay, that's all the seasoning I'm gonna do for now. But first, I have to, in order to do the smothered pork chop, I have to fry the pork chop first. Got my container with my flours and my seasoning already mixed in the flour. Gonna put some grease in the pan. Put two in the frying pan at a time. I say Mama Weesie way, but somebody might say, oh, I do it that way as well. So as the grease is getting hot, I'm going to start cutting up my onions. Okay, the pork chop is ready to go in the grease. The onions are cut up, you see? Got the onions cut. Ooh, lighting. Onions cut. The onions in here for now. For the smothered pork chop, I was thinking about cooking some rice, or should I cook mashed potato? Which one, y'all? Which one, my Weezie Nation? Mashed potatoes or rice? I'll wait, okay? Till the pork chop done finished. Maybe y'all got an answer for me. I know I said I was going to be back after the pork chop finished, but I just had to let y'all see these two. These two all crispy on both sides. Look at that. So I got the other two in here, and I got two more left. So that's 4 and 5 and 6, like I said. Waiting for that to get golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and put these two already in the flour. So I can move this pan. Oh, did I show y'all how over here look now? I done put my my salt in the container, my seasoned salt. I have to get some more. And my pepper. I have my sugar, my flour, and my rice. And over here, over this side, I have my spaghetti stems. Over there looks so nice, right? So yeah. I don't think I ever show y'all, you know? I'm trying to get some containers for my cereals. I'm going to show y'all up top. For my cereals up top. Anybody know any place I can go to get some? Because I already been to Walmart. And, you know, Family Dollars, Dollar General. Do y'all got any more places that I can go to get some containers for? Because at that time, I got these containers from Walmart. So, if y'all know any place that I can go, comment down below. Because I need some for my cereals. Because I'm tired of having box cereals on top of the refrigerator. I want it in containers, like organized. So yeah. So have y'all decided what I should cook? The rice or the mashed potatoes? Huh? Have you decided yet? Which one? Which one? Well, we still have two more pork chops to do. And then I'm going to come back and see what y'all say, if y'all agree with what I say. Okay? Okay, these two are done. Add it to the plate. And I'm going to put the last two in. The last two. Did y'all come up with it? Well, I have decided, and see, we are on the same page. I'm going to make some mashed potatoes with it. With smothered pork chops with mashed potatoes. How that sound? Does that sound good to y'all? So that's what we're going for, right? All right. Yay! The last two meats. The last two pork chops in. Okay. Last of the pork chops. playing with ya. Look. My Weezie Nation, I ain't playing. What you say? Y'all want some? Come on. Alright, now I'm going to stop my gravy. Bring my frying pan over. Frying pan over. And I'm going to take the same grease that I fried the pork chop in. And I'm going to put some grease in the frying pan that I'm going to do. Enough grease to cover the bottom of the frying pan. Right? Take the same grease while I fry the pork chop in. Then I'm going to get my flour. Up the drop, it's strong. Rinse it off. Get the flour. Make sure that's nice and hot before I add the flour in it. Because I'm going to use the flour. This flour is supposed to get it enough to brown. That's how I'm going to make the gravy. I'm going to brown the flour. And then I'm going to show you. Wait. Step by step. Step by step. Okay, the grease should be nice and hot. This one. Let that get brown. Brown flour. Put the gravy. Then I'm going to put the pork chops inside. And put my onions. You know what? I'm going to put my onions in too. Let all that brown up together. Let that brown together.
What are you cooking?
Huh?
What is that?
It's going to be smothered pork chops.
We can go pick up the thing tomorrow. The doctor. Since I got school.
I'm going to add in as you can see, the gravy is brown. So I'm going to add water, 1 cup of water. Oh yeah. And that's what makes it thick. Along with that, I'm going to add some more water to it. So that's going to be 2 cups of water. And then along with that, I'm going to put my seasoning, my pepper, salt, seasoned salt. I'm going to go up here. We got some, I'm going to put some garlic. Onion powder. Some onion powder. Garlic powder. Okay. Now I'm about to put the lid on and let it simmer down a little bit. Then after that, I'm going to add my pork chops in it. While that simmering down, I'm going to do the mashed potatoes. Yeah, I'm lazy, so I'm doing it out the pack. So I have my garlic. We got the garlic. Mashed potatoes. We have in the regular home-style mashed potatoes. And that's what I'll be preparing with the smothered pork chops. Water boiling to boil. Add some salt. I put a little bit of pepper in it. Add my milk. And a stick of butter. Butter make it taste good. 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 Butter. Let that boil down. Let's check on the gravy. Woo. With the gravy, I'm going to add the pork chops. You know what? Add the pork chop. I'm gonna leave one out because my daughter might don't want, my baby girl might don't want her pork chop smothered in gravy. So leave that out. Put the top back on. Turn it down low. As you can see, the milk is rising up to the top. So we're gonna start adding now mashed potatoes. Turn the fire off. That's 3-pack. Let's see if that's 3-pack. Yeah, 3-pack is enough. 3-pack is enough. I was going to do 4, but I'm doing 3. Stirring up the mashed potatoes. Okay. That's ready. The mashed potatoes ready. Let's check on this. Let's check on the smothered pork chop. Okay, this is how. Let me bring y'all a little closer. This is how Mama Weesie make her smothered pork chops. You see? Nice brown gravy, pork chops, smother all in it with the onions, salt and pepper, seasoned salt. I'm going to put everything in my description box so y'all can see what I use to make the smothered pork chops and also the mashed potatoes. The meal was delicious, y'all. What y'all got to say? Tania, what you got to say?
Oh, it was good.
And the other one hiding over the corner. Y'all see her? Hiding in the corner in the cut. Yeah. At her. She hiding. Right at this moment, she knew it was over. I got her all on the camera. All on the camera for her running. Look at that. This video, a thumbs up. Comment down below how y'all feel about my smothered pork chops. Looking at this video. And what else would y'all like me to do? So, and I thank y'all for watching.